Around 3,770 crore has surfaced as untaxed or black money in a 3-month window that ended on Wednesday. The money declared is far less, however, than what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced during his Independence Day speech. The government says that now, after this voluntary disclosure, they will start taking action against those stashing black money abroad.
In order to give them an opportunity, this compliance window was there up to 30th of September. And the figures we have got so far are 638 people have announced their foreign investment of foreign assets, including bank account balances. And the total amount is coming to 3,770 crore. So it was only an opportunity given by us. We had no particular figure in mind. Whatever has come, we accept it. And now onward, we would start the action against those people who have not declared any assets and about whom the information would come to us.
All right, so the deadline ended yesterday and 3,700 crore has surfaced, but it's much lesser than what the Prime Minister had promised. Let's go across to Rahul Srivastava. And Rahul, already there's been a lot of criticism over the amount declared and the amount that had been promised.
Gaki, what we can say is that the Finance Ministry and the Revenue Department was looking at that there will be a certain amount of information which will be withheld. Sources are saying that the government is saying that 630 odd people have already created declaration, and this exercise went on till very late in the night at 12 o'clock, and officers of the Income Tax Department were sitting and computing the figures. Now this 3,700 crores is definitely a very low amount. What we are hearing from the sources in the Finance Ministry is that the Finance Ministry and the Income Tax Department does have a sizable data bank on what kind of assets which are held abroad by individuals, and various entities. And as Mr. Hasmukh Adhia was saying, the government action will follow. Now the action can be strict. It can mean 120% charges in terms of 3 to 10 years of imprisonment. And what the government will have to look at a much wider view, because the issue of black money is not just limited to some amount of money being held in a foreign account. It also means properties. It also means other kind of assets which an individual or an entity might be holding. There is also a confusion about historicity. Historicity in terms of mean that if some individual's great-grandfather had opened an account and by a certain amount of time the money had been siphoned off or used up and there have not been transactions, what exactly happens in those cases? But what the government is pretty sure now is that yes, definitely this is not exactly what it was looking at in terms of declarations, but somewhere the government will now start following up in terms of using up the kind of data it has on in terms of the kind of accounts people are holding. There have been treaties over the last few months between India and some countries in which information sharing could well be automatic. And if there is information which flows in, the government will have an instrument both in terms of an opportunity given to people that by September 30th they could have declared what they held abroad in terms of foreign assets, and they did not. And that is why what one can say is that the government has created a ground so that it can now act against people without facing the charge that it did not give people an opportunity.
All right, Rahul, thanks so much for joining us with the latest there.